she called it.
Grinch.
The Grinch. It just popped in my head. She called it, she said, yes.
You're the old maid. I'm not gonna go for that one.
How are we going to wake up in the morning?
I don't know, I gotta do something to her hair. She can't go to school like that.
Try this one.
Come on, Grincher. Come on, Grincher.